Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Sayasri. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 or downloading Windows 10. First, why installing Windows 10 or download Windows 10? Because it has more improved security features. So, I recommend you to upgrade to Windows 10. You can also upgrade to Windows 11 directly if your PC meets the uh, minimum system requirements for Windows 11, but most probably it will not. So download, so stick with Windows 10, or if you haven't yet installed it, install it. For those of you did install install Windows 10, this is a complete refresh of how to download Windows 10. But before we begin how to download Windows 10, a happy Independence Day to the all of Indians watching my video right now. Okay, for those of you who are running Windows Server 2016 or Windows Server 2019, you don't have to upgrade back to Windows 10. You can stick with it only. But for those of you who are still using Windows 7, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10, sorry, Windows 8, I recommend you to upgrade to Windows 10 because of it has improved security features. Okay, let's quickly mm, get into the installation of Windows 10. First, we have to create a we have to download a file or create a installation media which will help you to install Windows 10 on your computer. How to do it? Well, click on this download tool now, and it will start downloading. It would say verified, and then open that media creation tool .exe, then press yes. It would open. Wait, it needs some time to open, so I'll just pause the video right here. Okay, it opened. It would say getting a few things ready. So I'll pause this video for a bit, so it becomes ready. Yes, it finally got ready, and it will say applicable no notices and license terms. You have to accept this, and it will say getting a few things ready. So I'll pause this video right here uh, to get it a few things ready. What it was saying, and yes, my system uh, uh, get a few things ready, or okay, anyway, it finished the getting a few things ready, and it came, and it will come as what do you want to do. Click on you should click on the upgrade this PC now. If you click on this, it will only uh, do some ISO file or USB flash drive or DVD for another PC. So you have to click on upgrade this PC now. After that, click on next. But I have already installed Windows 10. You can see it right here. So I'll close this. One more prompt will also show. Do you uh, do you want to keep your personal files while doing the installation? Click on uh, yes, keep all my personal files. So I'm clicking on this cross mark. Yes, and then yes. It might take a few minutes, so I'm going to again pause the video. Oh, it already closed. And now, how to check if you have really installed Windows 10? First, go to the search bar, then type, uh, system information. Okay, it showed it. Okay, it will open now, and it is opening. And you can see that my OS name is Microsoft Windows 10 Pro. So if this trick worked for you, please like and subscribe to my channel, and have a good Independence Day. See you soon. Bye.